In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with TradingView. We'll walk through how to backtest and analyze historical performance for Ethereum so you can evaluate a strategy before risking real capital. Ethereum is volatile and liquid, which makes it a great sandbox for testing both spot and futures approaches. Start by opening tradingview.com/chart. In the symbol search, type ETHUSD for a USD pair or ETHUSDT if you prefer a stablecoin pair. Pick a reliable exchange feed, then choose a time frame that matches your style: 15 minutes for scalping, 1 hour for swing trading, or 1 day for broader trends. Open the strategy tester at the bottom of the screen. This brings up the performance summary, the list of trades, and an overview with your equity curve. Next, click Indicators at the top, go to Built-ins, then Strategies, and add something simple to start, like the Moving Average Cross strategy, the RSI strategy, MACD strategy, or Bollinger Band strategy. TradingView will immediately run a historical backtest on ETHs. Now review the results. Focus on net profit, win rate, profit factor, max drawdown, total closed trades, and the Sharpe ratio. High profit with a big drawdown often means the ride is rough. Because ETH can swing hard, keep an eye on risk as much as returns. Refine the strategy by opening its settings. Adjust moving average lengths, shift RSI thresholds from 30 to 70 to something like 25-75, and set stop loss and take profit percentages that fit your risk tolerance. Every change triggers a fresh backtest, so you can iterate quickly. For hands-on practice, use bar replay. Click the replay icon, jump to a prior period, say a strong rally or a weaker market. Then press play and step through bar by bar. Practice entries and exits using your